Before we start diving into the technical details of this framework, I want to clear one obvious confusion: the difference between Angular and AngularJS. Though they sound very similar, but they are totally different framework. Google launched the first version of this framework in 2010. This is what is known as AngularJS. Starting from version 2, which was released on September 2016, it is known as Angular. Angular 2 was a complete rewrite of the framework. That is, it was developed from scratch. The other versions are upgrade on Angular 2. So when you see Angular, it refers to Angular 2 onwards, and AngularJS refers to version 1. So when you are searching the internet for help, be sure you don't accidentally copy the solutions of AngularJS, because in most cases that won't work. Now let's talk about the difference of these two frameworks in detail. The differences are more of improvements of Angular over AngularJS. AngularJS is a JavaScript-based framework, whereas Angular is a TypeScript-based framework, which also requires you to learn and write code in TypeScript. There are obvious advantages of TypeScript over JavaScript, which we will see in our next videos. Though it is supported by Google, but no further development is done on AngularJS. But Angular is regularly updated, as you saw in my previous slide. It is almost updated in every 6 months. AngularJS used to follow MVC architecture, which is also known as Model View Controller architecture. Angular, on the other hand, uses a component-based architecture, which makes your code much reusable and maintainable. AngularJS was not built keeping the mobile devices in mind, but Angular has a great support for mobile devices and also for any other platforms. AngularJS don't use to have a command line interface, but Angular has one, and it greatly helps you throughout your development, as you saw in my earlier video. Angular is faster than AngularJS due to the fact that it compiles the TypeScript code in very optimized and concise JavaScript code. Angular has a better change detection than AngularJS. Change detection means if a property bound variable changes, how correctly that change is detected and is reflected to the template. AngularJS don't have any testing framework, but Angular comes with a dedicated unit testing framework like Karma, which helps you test your code very easily. There is also some syntactical difference in property binding. In AngularJS, we used to have ngBind for one-way binding and ngModel for two-way binding. But in Angular, we use ngModel for both one-way and two-way binding just by using different sequences of parentheses and brackets. We'll talk about data binding in our next videos when this concept will be more clear. Finally, Angular is more structured because it uses modules. There are also many other differences, like AngularJS don't require you to have a server to run, but Angular needs a server to run during development as it follows node project structure. That's it for now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.